Closing costs are the costs associated with closing your loan. So if you go to a lender and they have different fees there, and let me break down kind of the closing costs for you. You have your lender's fees, you have your title fees, you have an appraisal fee or outside service fees, and then you also have your impounds or escrows for your taxes and insurance and your prepaid interest. Now, I know that's a lot of stuff I just told you, but let's just talk about the lender's fees. With regard to the lender's fees, they have a discount fee, which is a bona fide fee and is the cost associated buying a rate down. That's the discount fee. You also have an origination fee, or potentially could also have, or you may have no discount fee and you have an origination fee. The origination fee is the cost to do business with that lender. For instance, you may have a processing fee, an underwriting fee, an admin fee. And these fees can be broken out individually, or they may be shown in that origination fee. So if you have any questions regarding the cost associated with dealing with that lender, they can tell you that stuff in detail. And really what you're looking for is the lowest rate and the lowest cost. And like I said, the discount fee is a bona fide fee. That's for buying the rate down. So if you're paying a fixed amount, hopefully it's buying it down more than if you went to this one and they're saying, well, with that same fee where you can only buy it down to this amount. So just kind of be smart when it comes to dealing with your lender fees and asking a complete breakdown of what those fees are. Your title fees is a title company that's a third-party service that handles the closing. They take the money from the lender, they fund the loan, it's dispersed to the seller. They handle all of that as a third party. They don't have a vested interest per se in dealing with you. They're there as a third party to make sure that all of the fees are dispersed and handled properly. If you have any questions regarding the title fees, your lender and or your real estate agent can assist you in what those fees are. Now the escrow fees, that's a fee that's used for your taxes, your insurance, your prepaid interest. When you make a payment, I never knew this until later on. When you make a payment on November 1st, you're paying for October's accrued interest. So if we're collecting the interest in the arrears, you close October 15th, you're going to have 15 days of interest there for your November 1st payment. Well, they're going to collect that at the time of closing because they're not going to be able to turn things around and get that payment within 15 days. So they collect that upfront prepaid interest. And then your payment's due December 1st. So they'll collect your taxes, your insurance, they'll set that in motion to make sure you're set, that you have sufficient funds in your accounts to pay your taxes and insurance. And again, your mortgage professional and real estate professional can help answer those questions regarding your escrows.